guys, and welcome to my channel created by SD. In this video I'm going to show you guys that I'm doing 2 senior tumblers, sublimation tumblers, using my Epson EcoTank 16600, and also what program I use. So I use Silhouette Studio, the free version. I only use this to do my sublimation printer, my sublimation tumblers and t-shirts. So if you haven't used it before, so that is my first one. I'm gonna upload my second one. Let me see. And then I have to resize my tumbler, to my tumbler size. Hey, what happened? Undo edit. Okay. So I make sure I unlock it first. And my tumblers are 8 by 11 and 9 by 3. I think it's 9 by 2. I had a setting, I don't know what happened to it, but the ones I purchased, they always the same size. So once I get that in, let me put some more. Here's, oh Lord, almost failed. Here's my printer. I use a sublimation paper. I love this paper, it's the best to me. Here it go. So I use this paper for my tumblers. So I just put a new maintenance box in, and also I just did my ink, refill my ink. It's already set on here, if you can see. So regular size is gonna come out already. So let me show you guys my settings, also how I get the best color out. So file print. I don't know why this keep coming up, but well, it's my print preview. I just cancel it, but print. Make sure it's the right paper size. This keeps coming up. Cancel. So here go my printer. My preference. Let me show you my settings. So this is my settings. I always do paper tray. They go the letter size. When I want to change it for the t-shirts, I make it bigger. I put on premium presentation paper matte. My quality is high. That's my color. Also make sure where's the other one I do? More options. Yeah. Make sure my image is mirrored. I had this setting for over a year. Let me see. Okay, here goes my color settings here. So I have it at 9, 7, 15, and 4. To me, in Adobe RGB at 2.2. So if you need help with that, take a screenshot, write it down. And this is how I get the best colors. That works for me. So if you're new or want to try something new with the sublimation, you can try those settings there. And then I just print. And I do it for both of them so it can print automatically. Cancel print. And it's gonna work its magic. So my sheets are printed out. Look how beautiful the color is. And this one. And I'm gonna show you guys what I use for me to wrap it. These are my supply, my rubber bottom, my scraws I give out to them. Here are my sublimation tumblers. I ordered these, I can't think of the name. I just follow the Facebook group. But sometimes I also order some on Amazon. Ain't the same thing, but definitely from a wholesaler. Of course, you save money. So here go my tumblers that I'm gonna get ready to wrap in a little bit. And my other supplies are have my heat gun, my sublimation gloves, my shrink wrap that I use, my tape, my scissors, and of course my oven. I like to put my tumblers in the oven. I do not like the tumbler press. I actually sold it a few weeks ago. And here is how I make sure my temperature. I'm gonna do that next. And I also use a rag to wipe down my tumblers. So my oven is on 400, but it's 350. I put these in for 5 minutes. The first half I put it in and then I turn it at the second half. So I always put a timer on my clock on my phone to heat it up. So they're out of the oven and let's unwrap them and pack them up. One is getting shipped and one is local.